You can also get involved with the social side of things, so it's all about that work-life balance, as we were saying before. You can join sports teams as part of the university. You can join societies if you have a special interest in anything from chess to dance to anything like that. There's always a society there for you. And it's important that you get involved with those because you spend a lot of hours doing medicine and that's expected of you. But at the same time, you can do other things. I am part of a sports team. I'm part of a society, so sports and exercise medicine actually. I'm part of that society as well. And I have a part-time job. So you shouldn't have a part-time job as a medical student, and everyone will tell you that. But funding is something that you also need to consider. And unfortunately for me, if I want to have fun, I have to work. So I promise, I only do like once a fortnight. It's fine. I've passed my exams, so it is possible. And this is coming from someone that didn't get into medicine first time, so my A-levels weren't the best. They weren't good enough to get in, but I did a degree, I did my entry exams, and you can still do medicine. You don't have to be clever to be a doctor. It helps, it definitely helps. But it's more about, what I found is it's more about being able to speak to patients, finding out what's wrong, through your own sort of problem-solving skills, and if you can do that, then you will be 10 times better than someone that just can read a book from front to back.